That is so precious.
Walks all the way back.
Like, you coming? You coming? Daisy, where's Oliver? Go get Oliver.
I've never seen anything like this. Have you ever seen a cat hold on to anything to drag?
Exactly.
Never.
You could do this on those videos.
Oh, Daisy, you're so cute. Look at that.
The best show ever. Oh, now she eats the entire.
No, don't eat the mouse.
Come on, Daisy. Come on, Daisy.
Come on, come on.
I never saw a cat be dragged before. And it's like they're the same color, you know, it could have been slipped into the litter at some time. You never really
Very
picked
good.
up. I like it ahead.
Daisy, go get Oliver. Get Ollie.
Go get her.
Go get him. Go get Oliver. Go get Oliver.
She's done. She's done.
Daisy, where's Oliver? Come on, Ollie. You go. Up you go. Go get this drink.
He's done.
Look at the dog. Oh no. This is not.
This is not good.
Take a picture. Look what the fuck.